makeup. I do his makeup first.
You doing my makeup first? Oh. Hey you guys, it's your girl AdoreDonnie with, what's your name?
Dora!
And if you're new here, I go by Donnie. This is my daughter Adora, who is 3. She'll be 4 in March. So what are you doing today, Adora?
Doing your makeup.
She's doing my makeup. So I got everything laid out. I'll show you guys all that. So these are all the products. Got some lipsticks and lip glosses, mainly lip glosses. And then I got all the face products, shadows, mascara, eyeliner, foundation, setting spray, and all the brushes. Adora showing a lipstick. And we're in Adora's room doing this. Are you ready, Tonka?
Mm-hmm.
But
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
she's super excited to be doing my makeup. She's been wanting to do this for a while. It's been on my list for a while too, but I'm finally getting. I'm finally getting to it. Are you excited, Adora? Yeah, you're obviously excited. Anyway, so I'm going to try and not look at it. All right, Tonka, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What you gonna start off with? Do you know what everything is?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared already, y'all.
What's your favorite color?
What's the colors in that one?
Huh?
What are the colors?
Red, pink, purple, brown, black, or peach, red, orange, blue, or yellow.
You're asking me what my favorite color is? It's yellow.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to do my favorite color on me? Wow, you're so smart.
Okay. See?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put it right here.
Okay. You put the brush back? Okay. What's next? So this is what she has. You see how this goes, girl. This is new. Mommy letting you play in some expensive makeup. Come on.
Okay. To your cheeks. See?
Oh. That's what we got so far.
Okay. I want to do the eyebrows.
Oh, okay. You want the eyebrows?
My and there it goes. See?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be like
Okay, I flipped it down so I can look at y'all now. Lipstick already? Okay.
It's too hard. It's too hard. Thank you. See? No, maybe it's not. What this?
You need help closing it?
No.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do your. See?
I see. That's what you're gonna do next?
Yeah.
Okay.
The brush, please.
Pick which brush you want.
My favorite is this one. Your your nose to your makeup nose.
Oh, that's for my nose?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's open it. Got it.
Good job. So this is what she has. That's the Urban Decay Born to Run. Oh, pink.
Pink, pink, pink. Okay.
Oh. Oh, my nose.
Wait. What?
What? You said wait.
Okay, to brush it down to this.
Okay.
Whoa! See?
Wow.
Your nose. There. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to use it. I think it looks good.
You think it looks good? Okay. I'm super excited to see how it looks.
Okay. Looks good. Like that.
And what else are you going to do?
Use your neck to your neck.
Oh, you going to do my neck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I open it.
Okay. Let me see.
Yeah, open it.
Just going to do my neck with this.
Okay, I'll use the little brush. This one brush to choose that.
Okay, show the camera what brush you have.
Little shiny like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good brush.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. Okay. For the right here. Your neck, and your neck, your neck. There.
My neck?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
It looks good?
Close it up. See? Like this. Wow.
Wow.
This looks good. The evil good.
Evil good. Am I supposed to be a villain?
Yeah.
I am.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Who?
You.
Me? I'm playing myself as a villain?
Yeah.
Wow.
Stick
You
to
heard it here, you guys. If I was a Disney character, I'll be a villain. I think villains are amazing, so.
There.
Oh, your nana's calling me. I'm gonna have to call you back because Adora doing my makeup right now.
Right here, I'm doing is my makeup.
What are you doing? You're not old enough to do nobody makeup.
Why say that?
How old is Adora?
3?
I want Adora to answer me.
Adora, how old are you?
3.
You 4.
4.
You're 3. Don't listen to your nana.
3.
Look at what you finna do now.
Do mommy makeup to play with
Where your daddy? You not doing daddy makeup either?
That's mommy's.
Just mommy's?
If you ask Daddy nicely, he might let you do it. You gotta add some nicely. Come in here.
Okay.
Go add some.
All right. I call you that
Daddy, you look at the camera.
What's you got on your nose?
I don't know. I'm not even looking at myself. It's supposed to be a surprise. I got my face covered up with my thumb, so I can't see myself.
Bye.
Bye.
See?
Okay, you just blending it out.
Yeah.
Oh, smart.
Yeah.
You gotta blend, you guys. Can't forget that. You heard it from a 3-year-old. Yes.
Wait, I gotta get my Barbies to look on you.
You gotta get your Barbies.
Yeah.
Barbies to look on you. You gotta get your Barbies. Yes.
Do you even got any more Barbies?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I thought you threw them all away.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the little baby Barbies. Oh, okay.
Here. His name is Dora Crave.
Dora Crave?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Her name is Dora Crave. What's her name?
Mommy's daddy's rich.
What you talking about, Willis?
Mommy's daddy's
Best friends.
What?
best friends.
Yeah.
That's her name? That's a long name. But okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Cindy, want to play with me?
Yes, let's play.
Let's play hide and seek.
Okay, let's play hide and seek.
Okay, I want to count. And you go high. 1,
Okay,
2,
Bobby, go hide.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, this is just right colors.
Yeah, it's beautiful colors. Let me see.
I think we'll look like.
Beautiful colors.
Be okay, what colors? I want to do
What color?
your the pink one.
Oh, you're doing pink?
Yeah. Or just do the one the makeup already.
Okay.
See? It looks like a Moana makeup.
It looks like a lot of makeup.
Yeah, the Moana.
Oh, Moana makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like Moana makeup. That's it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
No.
You're done?
Here. Mama, I did Mama face to this, so Moana face store.
Moana face store. You did Moana makeup? Yes. Dora says she did Moana makeup on me. So, this is her Moana makeup look. Comment down below if I look like Moana. And if she did a great job. Oh, she gotta blend it out, y'all. She gotta blend it out real quick. She ain't done it.
Then let's play my Barbies.
She's done and she wants to play with her Barbies now. So, alright you guys, that is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Dora, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
You gotta come right here so say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys in the next one. I didn't even look at what I look like, y'all. Let me see. Oh. It's not too bad. I think I do look like Moana. I think I do look like Moana, y'all. Hi. My name is Dora Crave.
My name is Mommy, Daddy, best friend.
And she's my best friend. Yay! Alright, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
you guys. Oh. Yeah, we styling. Oh.
Wait. Not the car.
Not the car.
No.
You want to walk up the hill?
Yeah.
We can't just walk up the hill. That's a big hill. Oh, so we're going to go down the hill. We went the back way. Oh! Oh my gosh! What happened? Whoa, that was a huge hill. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
See?
Wow, you're great at this. Mommy, daddy, best friend.
You can't let me.
Yes, I'm coming.
3, 2, 1. Wait.
Okay.
Let's freeze.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think it was a tie.
And that guy only go right too.
You want to go down the slide too?
I got the one first.
Whoa!
Hey, Barbies.
Yes.
Look in the room, check.
Whoa, that was an awesome jump.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow. Girl, you got some skills.
My turn now.
Oh, it's little brother turn. Oh, here he goes. Oh, I guess not. Let's cheer him on, everybody. Let's go, little brother. Let's go. Let's go, little brother. Let's go. Let's go, little brother. Let's go. Brother, what are you doing?
Good job. Can you play?
You're just jumping? Are you a gymnast?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, let me see a flip. Whoa! That was amazing.
Let's go to my house.
Okay.
Music on.
Okay, let's put the music on.